A Summerville police officer remains behind bars tonight as a bond was denied for Anthony DeLustro, who was involved in a deadly shooting last month. DeLustro is charged with the murder of 39-year-old Michael O'Neill. Our Destiny Kennedy was at that bond hearing and joining us live outside now at the Hill-Finkley Detention Center. And Destiny, why was DeLustro's bond denied today?
Michael, because of the severity of the charge, a higher court judge will have to set bond. Today's hearing was procedural. The judge wanted to make sure that the former Summerville officer was aware of what he's being charged with and his rights. But that did not stop DeLustro from begging the judge for mercy.
I never did anything wrong. I never had one substantiated complaint in the 35 years I've been in law enforcement. And I just ask you for mercy so I can help my wife with the girls while we go through this.
During DeLustro's statement, he mentioned he and his wife had recently lost their daughter and were taking care of his two granddaughters, a reason he asked the judge to be merciful. He stated his entire life had been public service. During his comments, DeLustro did not mention the victim, Michael O'Neill. He gave no apology and he didn't appear to show any remorse. The incident took place last month at the Chick-fil-A on North Main Street. According to the affidavit obtained by Live 5 News, DeLustro was off duty at the time. Eyewitnesses said the former Summerville officer was the primary aggressor in the altercation with O'Neill. After coming to blows and being separated by people at the scene, O'Neill backed off and tried to leave in his car. DeLustro's wife attempted to stop O'Neill from leaving by physically restraining him. DeLustro then entered O'Neill's car with his gun. He then shot and killed the victim. In DeLustro's interview with law enforcement, he acknowledged that he knew the victim was trying to leave and that he did not see O'Neill with any weapons, nor did O'Neill threaten him with any weapons. In a statement released by the O'Neill family, they said, "We appreciate the continued community outreach, support, and respect for privacy during this difficult time." Today, the family was notified of the arrest of Anthony DeLustro for the murder of Michael O'Neill. As we continue to mourn our loss, we are hopeful that justice will prevail. We appreciate the work and dedication of the involved departments who have worked to get to this point. The solicitor's office also released a statement saying, in part, "I am deeply concerned. However, when those who are sworn to serve and protect violate the public's trust, whether or not they are acting in the line of duty." A trial date has not been set yet, but the solicitor promises to notify the public and media of the time and place of the hearing. There is supposed to be a first appearance scheduled for June 14th. Reporting live in Moncks Corner, Destiny Kennedy, Live 5 News.